time is money. Hiab ProCare saves you both. It's a portfolio of service contract solutions for Hiab equipment that lets you spend time on what you do best, while we take care of your equipment. With proactive maintenance, you can optimize safety, uptime, and lifecycle value. Why waste your time on maintenance planning and sourcing spare parts when we can do it for you? In a customer study, ProCare lowered the total cost of ownership by 20%, not to mention all the time saved. Our wide service network is enhanced by Hiab's remote diagnostic and troubleshooting capabilities. Together with superior parts availability, it ensures that you get back to work quickly, wherever you are. For the price of a coffee a day, you protect your investment and get peace of mind. With a fixed fee, you always know your costs in advance. Just choose the contract level that meets your needs and let ProCare take a load off your unplanned downtime, scheduling, and maintenance. Or in other words, prevent grumbling and improve the sleep quality for you and your colleagues. Don't take our word for it. Book a free consultation at hiab.com.